The installation requirements for an application often include several key aspects related to the operating system, processor, memory, hard drive space, graphics card, and additional software. Firstly, the operating system is a foundational element. For many modern applications, a compatible operating system is Windows 10 or later. This ensures that the application can leverage the necessary system resources and functionalities. Secondly, the processor is a crucial determinant of the application's performance. An Intel Core i5 or its equivalent is often recommended. This type of processor provides sufficient processing power to handle the application's tasks efficiently, preventing lags or slowdowns during operation. Thirdly, memory, specifically random access memory or RAM, is vital for the application to run smoothly. A minimum of 8 GB of RAM is frequently required. Adequate RAM allows the application to store and access temporary data quickly, improving responsiveness and overall performance. Fourthly, hard drive space is necessary to accommodate the application's files and data. A minimum of 100 MB of available space is generally recommended. This space is used to store the application's executable files, libraries, and any associated data. Fifthly, the graphics card plays a significant role, especially for applications with graphical interfaces or those that involve visual rendering. A DirectX 11 compatible graphics card is typically required. This ensures that the application can display graphics correctly and efficiently, enhancing the user experience. Sixthly, additional software components are often necessary for the application to function correctly. Microsoft NET Framework 4.8 and Visual C++ Redistributable for Visual Studio 2019 are common dependencies. These software components provide essential libraries and runtime environments that the application relies on to execute its code. The location of installation instructions in the code varies depending on the application. Typically, detailed installation instructions are not embedded directly within the application code itself. Instead, these instructions are usually provided in separate documentation files or online resources. However, in some cases, applications may include a readme, txt or installation, txt file. These files often contain basic installation steps and troubleshooting tips. These files are commonly found within the application's download package or in the application's installation directory. When installing the application, it's essential to review these installation instructions carefully. They provide step-by-step guidance on how to install the application correctly, configure its settings, and resolve any potential issues. Following these instructions ensures a smooth installation process and helps prevent errors or conflicts. For example, the installation instructions might specify the order in which to install certain components, the locations to which files should be copied, or the settings that need to be configured. They may also provide information on how to uninstall the application if necessary. If installation instructions are not readily available, the application's website or support documentation is often the best place to look. These resources usually provide comprehensive information on installing and configuring the application. Additionally, online forums and communities may offer assistance and solutions to common installation problems. When installing software, particularly on a Windows operating system, it's important to ensure that the system meets the minimum requirements. In the context of the provided details, this means verifying that Windows 10 or a later version is installed. The operating system is the foundation upon which all other software operates, and compatibility is crucial for stable and efficient performance. The processor, as noted, should ideally be an Intel Core i5 or an equivalent. The equivalent refers to processors from other manufacturers, such as AMD, that offer similar processing capabilities. The clock speed, number of cores, and cache size of the processor are key factors that determine its overall performance. Memory, indicated as 8 GB of RAM, is essential for multitasking and running resource-intensive applications. Insufficient RAM can lead to slow performance as the system relies on the hard drive for virtual memory, which is significantly slower than RAM. Having enough RAM ensures that the application can quickly access the data it needs without experiencing delays. Hard drive space is another important consideration. While 100 megabytes might seem small by modern standards, it's important to note that this is the minimum space required for the application itself. Additional space may be needed for data files, temporary files, and updates. It's always a good idea to have more free space than the minimum requirement to prevent performance issues. The graphics card is responsible for rendering visual elements on the screen. A DirectX 11 compatible graphics card ensures that the application can take advantage of the latest graphical features and technologies. This is particularly important for applications that involve 3D graphics, video playback, or image processing. The DirectX version supported by the graphics card must be compatible with the application's requirements to avoid rendering errors or performance issues. The additional software, Microsoft NET Framework 4.8 and Visual C++ Redistributable for Visual Studio 2019 are runtime environments that provide the necessary libraries and components for the application to run. These components are often required by applications developed using .NET and C++ respectively. Installing these components ensures that the application can access the functions and resources it needs without encountering errors. The installation process often involves downloading the necessary files from the Microsoft website and following the on-screen instructions. Regarding the location of installation instructions, it's common for software developers to include a readme .txt file in the installation package. This file typically contains information about the application, its features, and any known issues. It also provides step-by-step instructions on how to install the application correctly. The readme .txt file is usually located in the same directory as the installation executable. In some cases, the installation instructions may be provided in a separate installation .txt file. This file may contain more detailed instructions than the readme .txt file, including information on how to configure the application after installation. The installation .txt file is usually located in the same directory as the installation executable. If neither a readme .txt nor an installation .txt file is available, the installation instructions may be found on the application's website. The website usually provides a comprehensive guide on how to install and configure the application, including screenshots and videos. The installation instructions may also be available in the application's help documentation. The help documentation is usually accessible from within the application itself, or it may be available as a separate download. The help documentation provides detailed information on all aspects of the application, including installation, configuration, and usage. It's important to follow the installation instructions carefully to ensure that the application is installed correctly and that it functions as expected. If any problems are encountered during the installation process, the application's website or support documentation should be consulted for assistance. Furthermore, understanding the importance of each requirement helps in troubleshooting potential issues. For instance, if an application crashes frequently, one of the first steps is to check if the operating system is compatible and up to date. Similarly, if the application runs slowly, verifying that the processor meets the recommended specifications and that sufficient RAM is available is crucial. Graphics-related problems, such as rendering errors or visual artifacts, often point to issues with the graphics card or its drivers. Ensuring that the graphics card is DirectX 11 compatible and that the latest drivers are installed can resolve many of these issues. Missing or outdated additional software components can also cause problems. If the application requires NET Framework 4.8 or Visual C++ Redistributable for Visual Studio 2019, verifying that these components are installed and up to date is essential. The Microsoft website provides the necessary files for downloading and installing these components. In addition to the minimum requirements, it's also important to consider the recommended requirements. The recommended requirements represent the ideal hardware and software configuration for running the application. Meeting the recommended requirements ensures that the application runs smoothly and efficiently without any performance issues. For example, the recommended processor might be an Intel Core i7 or an equivalent, and the recommended RAM might be 16 GB. Meeting these higher requirements can significantly improve the application's performance, especially for resource-intensive tasks. When installing software, it's also important to be aware of potential security risks. Downloading software from untrusted sources can expose the system to malware and other threats. It's always best to download software from the official website of the software developer or from a reputable source. Before installing any software, it's a good idea to scan the installation files with an antivirus program to check for malware. Additionally, it's important to keep the operating system and other software up to date with the latest security patches. Security updates often address vulnerabilities that can be exploited by malware. By taking these precautions, the risk of installing malicious software can be minimized. In summary, the installation requirements for an application typically include the operating system, processor, memory, hard drive space, graphics card, and additional software components. The specific requirements vary depending on the application, but meeting the minimum requirements is essential for the application to run correctly. Following the installation instructions carefully and being aware of potential security risks can help ensure a smooth and successful installation process. If any problems are encountered, the application's website or support documentation should be consulted for assistance. Remember to check the specific requirements listed by the software vendor for the most accurate information.